Hello everyone, this is Niyati. I'm a co-founder of Quant, which is advanced backtesting platform. In this video, I'm going to showcase you how you can perform simulation of your multi-leg option portfolios. Quant supports two test modes. One is simulator, another is backtest. So in this video, I'm going to showcase you how you can do simulation of your multi-leg option portfolios. Simulation can be run only for any selected single day only. Here you can practice, you can improve your trading skills, and this is very good system for discretionary traders, YouTubers, and trainers to show their concept. Traders can use this to match their result with live execution of the day. That's why simulator is of prime importance. And under this mode, Backenzo will try to create the same environment as live for selected day only. Simulation always work from 9:15 to 3:30 p.m. for selected date. You can select a strict timing checkbox. As you can see, this is the adjacent box, a strict timing. So you can select this strict timing checkbox if you want. Simulation is strictly for start and square of time of the portfolio. So this needs to be ticked in. Okay. Now I'll quickly showcase you how you can make a new portfolio, new option portfolio, and how you can run that over a simulator. Okay. So just click on the add portfolio button, click on it, and from predefined strategies, you can choose any strategy of your choice. Suppose I'm going ahead with the short straddle, which is most loved strategy by option players. Now, as you can see, the moment I clicked on the short straddle strategy, it has automatically populated the two legs of it, right? That is sell CE and sell PE. Now I can set target as well as a stop loss on the basis of premium, underlying, strike, delta, and theta. So suppose I'm want to set target on the basis of premium, okay, for both the legs and for both target as well as for the stop loss. So target value here you can define. Suppose 15 points target for both the legs and 15 points or 20 points target for stop loss for both the legs. Okay. So if you see here, I have set the SL value and the target value for both the legs. Now, if you want, you can set action on the target as well as on the stop loss. So here you can choose action of your choice. Like if you want to do the re-entry, you want pyramiding on this particular leg upon achieving the target, because I'm setting the action on the target on achieving the target of this particular leg. Okay. If you want to re-execute this particular leg on achieving the target, so this way you can set the target action as well as stop loss action. But just for showcasing you how simulation works, I'm just simply firing a short straddle. And under execution parameter, you can set run on day, start time, end time, and the square of time. Okay. So run on day, I am selecting all. Okay, just click OK. Start time, I want it to get started from 9:20 a.m. and a square off at 3:25 p.m. Just save the portfolio with the name short straddle. Okay, just save portfolio. My portfolio is saved. Now click on this checkbox. Enabling ticking this checkbox is very much required if you want to perform the test mode. Okay, now after enabling the tick box, just click on the recalibrate button. Recalibrate button is very much required before you perform any test mode, be it a simulator or backtest test mode. Okay, now I have recalibrated. As you can see, this under the grid logs, recalibration is completed. Right, now click on the simulate button. Okay, you can choose date of your choice from this calendar, from date tab. So suppose I want to create the same environment as that of live of 8th January. Today is 9th January and I want to recreate the same environment of 8th January for this particular short straddle portfolio. Okay, so I've selected 8th January 2025 and I have ticked this box because I want simulation to work strictly only from start time and a square of time of the selected portfolio. Okay, so I've just ticked on this checkbox and click on this play button. See, the moment I clicked on this play button, right, login is completed. Now this portfolio has gone under execution. If it is still monitoring, then it will showcase you the status as monitoring. Okay, so it has gone under execution. And as you can see that this yellow clock moving, right? This yellow clock is moving once you click on the start button. Okay, so you can see this yellow color clock moving and showing the exact date and time to show where the test has reached. Okay, so if you want, you can move this clock using your mouse. You can drag it like this. You can place it wherever you want. Okay, as you can see that simulation supports pause button, stop button, decrease the speed, that is refined, and forward the speed, that is this button. Okay, now if I want to expand the portfolio, I want to see how this portfolio, this short straddle strategy has performed. So I'll just click on this plus button. Okay, you have to click twice this plus button in order to expand the portfolio. So as you can see that this is the live execution that is happening on our backtesting engine, right? Simulation supports a speed between 1x to 100x. In case of simulation, speed won't impact the accuracy of result. Okay, please note that. So using this button, you can increase the speed, as you can see, 32x, 42x, up to 100x it is supported. Okay, if you want to decrease the speed, you can use this button to decrease the speed. You can use forward button to increase and rewind button to decrease the speed. And actual impact of the speed depends on many factors like computer speed, how many portfolios you are executing at the same time, and how many portfolios were expanded. See, I have expanded this particular portfolio using a plus button twice, right? So uh, all this depends on these factors, that is computer speeds, how many portfolio you are executing on the simulator mode at the same time, and how many portfolios were expanded, okay, at the same time. So all this depends on these factors. Now, under simulation, you can create, you can execute, you can adjust, you can square off, you can manage your portfolio like you do in the live execution platform, that is Stockso. Okay, so simulator will honor all strategies and user settings. So, suppose you have set any user setting like max loss, max profit, or profit locking, it will honor all the strategies as well as user setting things. Moreover, you can see order block as well as position tab. Okay, as you can see here, order block and position like you are trading in live. So everything you can see here under order book and position tab. Also, one very important thing I want you to know about simulator is that if a speed is more than 8x, okay, suppose if I increase the speed to 16x time, and if the speed is more than 8x, then you cannot edit, you cannot make copy, you cannot mark as completed, etc. features. In that case, you can decrease the speed and can use these features. So if I want to just edit any of the factors, then I cannot do because the speed has gone beyond 8x times. So for that, you have to decrease the speed in order to use these features. So as you can see, the moment I clicked on the edit button, suppose I want to edit this portfolio and it is going at the speed of 16x time. So it is not allowing me to do because test speed is too high, right? So for that, you have to decrease the speed and then you can use these features. So I'm just decreasing the speed in order to showcase you how you can edit the portfolios, right? So as you can see that when I decrease the speed, it has allowed me to edit it. So this is how we do simulation. And under grid logs, you can find that when stop loss got hit, when target got hit. So as you can see that my leg target got hit at 72.45 on LTP this, and with the time stamp that is 9:25 21 seconds. So this is how simulation works. Now, in my next video, I'll showcase you how you can do backtest in empty quant. So stay tuned. Bye-bye.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.